Welcome to our guide on farming runes early in Elden Ring. Runes are the lifeblood of your character's progression, enabling upgrades and purchases. Let's explore the best areas to farm runes early on. Locations such as the Limgrave and Weeping Peninsula hold significant opportunities for rune collection. Engaging with low-level enemies is crucial. Use quick strikes and magic to eliminate foes efficiently and maximize rune gains. Don't forget to utilize rune boosters. Items like gold pickled fowl foot can significantly increase your rune earnings. Farming with friends can be highly productive. Teaming up allows for quicker enemy takedowns and helps cover each other's backs. Caves and dungeons are rich with runes. Areas like the Groveside Cave offer not only loot, but also a good number of challenging foes. Consider the balance between speed and efficiency. Sometimes, taking a moment to plan your moves can yield better results than just rushing through. Watch out for common pitfalls. Rushing into battles without strategy often leads to lost runes. Always assess your surroundings before engaging. To sum it all up, efficient rune farming involves strategic planning, utilizing the environment, and collaborating with friends. Happy farming!